Today, I'm walking you through the vidIQ clipping tool from start to finish. This is the tool that allows you to take one long form video and it turns it into a whole batch of ready to post shorts that are cut, cropped, and captioned for you. By the end of this video, you'll know every step from picking a video to publishing your first clip. To get to the clipping tool, you're going to go to your vidIQ dashboard and you're going to go to the sidebar under more tools and you're going to click clipping. And so now we have to feed the video to clip. And you got 3 ways that you can do that. If your channel is connected, your recent uploads are actually sitting right there and you can just click on one. You can also paste a YouTube link as long as it is public or unlisted, or you can upload an MP4 straight from your computer up to 2 hours or up to a gig. One quick note as you're picking, the tool works off of faces and speech. So talking head videos, podcast tutorials, this is exactly the kind of content that this was built for. Once your video is uploaded, you get a few settings. You can run with the defaults or you can dial it in, whatever fits your workflow. The prompt box is optional, leave it blank, and then the AI will hunt down the best moments that it thinks has a best shot at performing. Or you can type what you want, something like pull the top tips or find the funniest moments, and it steers the clips toward that. And it's the same with the length of the videos. Any length lets it pick the best runtime for each clip, or you can lock it to 20 to 45 seconds, 45 to 60, or 60 on up. And you can also set your language preferences. Captions are on by default. A lot of people watch their shorts by mute, but you do have the options to have captions on or off. You got a row of preset styles right there, or you can hit the little pencil and customize everything. Font, color, size, how many words show up on the screen at a time, and where it sits on your screen. Save it and it becomes your style going forward. Last setting, and this one actually saves you some credits because you don't have to process the whole video. Grab the slider and select the section you want, minimum of 30 seconds. This runs on your vidIQ AI credits, and the cost sits right there at the bottom and updates you as you change. So if you know that minutes 4 through 9 is where things get really good, select that and spend fewer credits and get more focused clips. Then hit get clips. Processing usually takes anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes depending on the video, and you'll get an email the second your video is ready, which gives you the perfect window of time to start working on your next video while this video is clipping. When it's done, you'll actually get a whole grid. My 11-minute video actually gave me 17 clips. So if you look at the corner of each one, every clip has a score. That's the tool ranking which moments it thinks will perform. So post your highest ranking scores first. Under each clip, you've got 3 buttons. Post straight to YouTube Shorts from here, download it, or open up the editor. And there's a download button at the top if you just want to grab everything and schedule out your week. Now let's open up the editor because this is where you can get even more control over every clip. You have the layout presets at the top, fill zooms a frame to fill the screen, fit letterboxes it, and split stacks 2 frames, which is perfect for a podcast or 2-person shot. Down below is your timeline, captions on the top rack, and video frames underneath. Say you want to remove a frame or a caption from a clip, click on it in the preview, look down at the timeline, you'll see the matching segment highlighted, and then you can hit delete on your keyboard and it's gone. Works both for frames and captions. Make your tweets, hit export, and it renders out 1080 by 1920, ready for shorts. And that's the whole tool from front to back. 1 upload in and a week of shorts out. If there's another vidIQ tool that you'd love me to walk through, just let me know, drop a comment, and we will get it. Until next time, peace and blessings out.